In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Bitbucket password. If you've forgotten your password or need to reset it, don't worry, we'll walk through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bitbucket login page. Once there, you'll see the login fields where you typically enter your username and password. But right below these fields, you will notice an option that says "Forgot your password?" Click on this link, and it will take you to the password reset page. Now, on the password reset page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Bitbucket account. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is crucial for receiving the password reset instructions. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Submit or Send Email button. At this point, Bitbucket will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Keep an eye on your inbox, and also check your spam or junk folders just in case it gets filtered there. It might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Once you receive the email, open it up and look for the reset link. This link is essential, so click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can set a new password for your Bitbucket account. On this new page, you'll need to think of a new password. It's always a good idea to choose something secure by combining upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's something memorable or use a password manager if necessary to manage your passwords effectively. Once you've decided on a new password, go ahead and enter it into the fields provided. Most systems will ask you to type your new password twice to confirm. After doing this, you can submit your new password. Once your password has been successfully changed, you'll be directed back to the Bitbucket login page. Here, you can now use your new password to access your account. Simply enter your username and the new password you just set. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Bitbucket password. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bitbucket's support for further assistance. They're there to help. Remember, keeping your password secure and updated regularly is a great practice to maintain your account's safety. Hopefully, this guide has helped you reset your password without any fuss. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos to help you with your online tools and systems.